My name is Claudicela Cimental Rodriguez. I'm taking English class Section 1, student in Universidad Autónoma de Durango. The human heart. The heart is your hollow muscular organ located in the center of chest, standing tightened to the left if the main engine of the circulatory system responsible for pumping blood to the body use supply oxygen and nutrients to tissues and to collect carbon dioxide and other waste products. Structure of the heart. The heart is about the size of growth, filled and in four chambers. Right atrium resides the oxygen blood return from the body. Right ventricle push the oxygenated blood to the lungs to be oxygenated. Left atrium resides oxygen growth from the lungs. Left ventricle, the single chamber of the heart in pumps oxygen goes to the rest of the body. The cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle is the sequence of events that happen in the sinus heart beat. It has two main phases. Systole, this is the contraction phase of the heart muscle during systole. The heart contracts and pumps blood into the arteries. Diastole, this is the relaxation phase of the heart muscle during diastole. The heart relaxes and fills with blood. A heart teacher beats 16 to 100 times per minute and rests. The importance of the heart maintain a healthy is crucial for a long and healthy life. Here are some ways to take care of your health. Healthy diet. In a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, good drinks, and proteins, limit saturated fats, trans fats, sodium, and added sugars. Regular exercise. Get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, rowing, sushi, arbit, walking, swing, or cycling. Don't smoke. Smoke in one of the biggest risk factors for years. The same quitting significantly reduce your drive. Manage stress. Chronic stress can damage the heart. Proteins relation techniques like mirate linchon yoga of the reacting. Regular chain ups. Visit your doctor regularly to check the blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar level. Did you know in la signuda your heart pump about 2,000 gallons of the blood? The heart can continue beating even when removed from the body. The sound of the heart beats that we hear is the sound of the heart valve opening and closing.